In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish videos on Substack. First, we'll navigate to Substack's homepage. Once you're there, look for the Post section. This is your gateway to crafting new content. Go ahead and click on it. Here, you'll find a button labeled New Post. This is where our journey begins. From the options available, choose Video Post to cater specifically to video content rather than written articles. With this basic setup ready, it's time to upload your video. You'll see an option to select a file. Go ahead and click that, then browse through your device to pick the video you've prepared. This is your moment to showcase your visual storytelling, so choose that perfect file. It'll start uploading to the platform immediately. While your video is uploading, take a moment to think about its presentation on your page. Creating an engaging title can draw viewers in, so consider what succinctly captures the essence of your video. Next, a subtitle can provide a bit more context, offering teaser information that might intrigue your readers. Keep these elements clear and complementary to each other for maximum impact. Now, let's add a description. This is your opportunity to tell potential viewers why they should click play. What's the story behind the video? What insights will they gain? Craft a compelling narrative that resonates with your audience. Once you're satisfied with these descriptive elements, you might find it useful to close the contextual menu on the right. This clears the workspace, so you can focus on finalizing your post. To continue, click on the Continue button. You'll now determine who gets to see your post by setting its visibility. You could choose to make it public or perhaps restrict it to subscribers, depending on your community engagement strategy. One of the great features of Substack is the ability to stimulate conversation. Enabling comments can create dynamic interaction with your audience. Don't forget to add tags. These help categorize your content and increase its discoverability across the platform. If you're planning your content calendar meticulously, you can also choose to schedule your post for a specific time. However, if you're ready and excited to share it immediately, selecting Send to Everyone Now will make your post live. And there you have it. Your video post is now accessible to your audience. Watch as they engage, comment, and enjoy your visual content on Substack. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found these steps both informative and easy to follow. Remember, with each post, you have the opportunity to connect and engage deeply with your audience, so make each one count. Happy posting!